Welcome again to Anatomy and Physiology Revealed. In this video, we're showing you how to set up and get going on your A&P Revealed account and quizzes. Once you've signed in to connect and clicked on A&P Revealed, you'll come to the home screen, which has the My button, the green button, which is where you'll go most of the time during this class. Next to it is the modules. That's how you'll be navigating within the My button. The first time you use it, you need to add or delete a list by adding list and typing in the name. Now, you just saw that my list has already been connected, but this is how you would do it if you had not connected it yet. Make sure you always hit My, make sure you've entered the code, otherwise you'll study all structures, which is a lot of information. So go to the module for whatever week you're on. In this case, I'm selecting cardiovascular. And you see all the anatomical structures under My Dissections here. There'll also be animations, histology or tissue slides, and imaging. If you click on one of the structures, you'll get an image of it. Right above it, you'll see there's different topics. You'll want to go through all topics, study each one and everything under it, all the different views, and all the different points. You can then dissect the body by pulling away different layers using the little red toggles. And that gives you a lot of context around where things are in the body and how they look at different levels. This will help you relate to the models when you see the models in the laboratory periods. There's also this Other Views button. That's important for you to see the structures at different angles. Here we have 3 different angles of a single structure. Again, that's important for you to relate it to the model and really understand where it is in the body. So let's move to My Animations. The cardiovascular system is the only one that has the animations separate, but you'll watch all the animations listed and go through those. Next we have histology. So for example, we're looking at blood tissue slide here. Whatever is in blue is what's highlighted. So if I click on erythrocytes, they're in blue, and I can toggle on or off the highlighting to make sure I understand where the structures are. So if I click on platelets, now the little platelets are in blue, and I can toggle on and off that highlighting as well. There's also imaging. There's nothing for cardiovascular system in imaging. But here's some other different structures to look at under cardiovascular. Again, you're going to want to go through all the topics, and you want to go through all the views. Don't get too alarmed. The cardiovascular section is, again, much larger than any other system in the body that we're going to study this semester. Now, in terms of the quiz, you click on the check mark button, and you're going to do both a My Structures quiz and a My Animations quiz each week for each area that you're asked to do. When you do My Structures, click All Structures, and the test type will be Combination. The number of questions is going to be all questions. You'll go through and answer every question, clicking the next button as you go, and when you're finished, you hit End Test Now. You'll see your results. You'll do this again and again until you get 100%. And when you're done, you save results to get the printout that you'll be giving to your lab instructor. If you don't print it off, it's as if you didn't do the quiz. So on the quiz, there'll be your name, the cardiovascular model, all structures, combination, and your score. I have a 0 because I didn't take this quiz. And you also have the structures that you studied. Again, you have to hand this in order to get credit for taking it. It has to be printed paper copy. You'll also do My Animations. You'll do all animations. And again, for the cardiovascular section, you're doing that the second week. So you're only doing the anatomy quiz the first week. Here's the same example of a quiz that you would hand in to your instructor. Everything is averaged, but you should have 100 anyway.